Hello everyone. Good morning. Good evening. So today I was attended one interview in Informatica domain with the Informatica cloud also. So the company name is Informatica, and they asked some questions. So I will share you those questions to you. It will be helpful to who are attend the interviews in future. Okay. So let's start. The first question they ask for the what is the dynamic mapping task and where we will use, and tell me the example where you can use that dynamic mapping task. Okay, that is the first one. And second one is you are already know uh, types of SCDs. They ask for type 1 and type 2 and type 3, these three. And third one is, so what are the different techniques used to improve the performance of mapping? So generally we have in transformation level we have using two methods, that is push down optimization and partitioning. So that is the two things I was explained. And the next one is what are the best practices when we use for the lookup transformations? So when I asked this question, I was confused. So but I was explained when will you use for the lookup, and what are the usage for the lookup, those things. So I was explaining those things. And finally, they ask for the one question, like scenario question, SQL. Mm, That is, they are giving the some numbers like -4 and -3, +2 and +6. So they asked for the write a SQL query. I need sum of sum of positive numbers and sum of negative numbers. So they are given -4 and -3. If you sum that those negative numbers, output should become -7, and positive numbers is +6 and +2. If you sum that one, we will get 8. So they ask for the SQL query in single SQL query. Okay, these are the questions they asked. So it is helpful to you maybe. So okay, we can. So most of them, while explaining the questions, we can explain more on example. So it will be more useful. Because I attend a lot of interviews, but previously when I was giving the interviews, when starting I told the definition only. But recently, when I was giving the interviews, I asked some of seniors. They told explain one example each and everything. So then they will convey. Okay. So next time when I was given the interview, so you can also explain each and every topic. We take a one example and explain. Okay. So let's take a uh, lookup catch. So lookup, we have different types of catches, right? Static, dynamic, persistence. So when we take for the dynamic catching, when will it will use, how the flow should be executed. Okay. So suppose we have getting the new record, then it will be directly insert. Okay. Here the new lookup value should be 0. Likewise, you can take one example and we can explain. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay. Thank you.